Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Tile Tool Tuesday. We have a new upcoming high-end tile saw blade to review for you. This is by RTC, Russo Trading Company. It is called the Rockstar. Right off the bat, really cool looking design. Feels like it's quality. I love the look of this blade. Two things to hit on with this series here. You have a 10-inch, a 7-inch, and smaller, 4 and 4.5 for your grinder. These are meant for hard materials. Your porcelain. Porcelain is the most popular material for tile right now, so these will do very well with porcelain. They're not a mesh blade, so they'll cut super clean. They're super durable, and the price point is amazing. This one you can pick up for 57 bucks. The 7-inch, 41 bucks, and then 21 and 18 for the grinder wheels, the 4 and 4.5. But we're gonna test this on an array of hard material. A lot of different types of porcelain. We'll cut some ceramic, of course. I have a feeling that these will compete with the top tier tile saw blades. I mean, I can sort of foresee the future here. I have a feeling these are gonna perform very, very well. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Get outside. We are going to cut with two different 10-inch tile saws. We will cut with a 7-inch tile saw. And of course, we will pull out the grinder and make some hard porcelain cuts with this. Before we go outside to make some cuts, let's quickly compare this hard material diamond blade to some other diamond blades. So one thing to point out is you have this tall diamond segment here, along with really fine concentrated diamonds, and I'll just show you what I'm talking about. Hard material blade. You got your hot dog here. If you can see the diamond segment right here, how much taller the Rockstar is over the hot dog. Hot dog's a good blade, but this is more of a blade for ceramic, of course porcelain as well, but will not last as long as something like this, a hard material blade. Same thing with the Bosch. You've got this short diamond segment, got a much taller diamond segment. And then you have your mesh blades. These are very aggressive mesh blades here. They do not cut nearly as clean as a standard rim blade. So this is for hard material as well. It's wider, it's more aggressive. It is a good blade, but it is not a clean cutting blade, but this one will be.
A dream like this seems kind of vaguely ludicrous and completely unattainable. But this moment is directly connected to those childhood imaginings. And for anybody who's on the downside of advantage, relying purely on courage.
We'll make our first cut with the Rockstar blade on this classic Target wet tile saw. This tile saw is refurbished. It is cherry. I'm sure a lot of you old school guys would appreciate this. Hard, black porcelain, the ultimate test on how clean a diamond tile saw blade can cut. Rockstar blade on the DeWalt. They also have a 7-inch, which we will be using for this saw to cut our tile on our projects. Extremely clean cut. Doesn't even look like you need to polish it with the diamond hand pad. Look at that, dark porcelain tile. And lastly, we're always looking for a good diamond wheel that cuts very clean. Hard material, grinder diamond wheel. Well, there you have it. Really good diamond blades for the money. RTC All-Stars. These blades will compete with the higher end diamond blades without that higher end cost. Hard material blades, great for porcelain. I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Tap that little bell icon down there for future videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.